In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close a Jira ticket step by step. Whether you're new to using Jira or just looking to refresh your skills, this guide will ensure that you can effectively manage and close your tasks. Closing a ticket in Jira is a crucial step in maintaining an orderly and efficient project management system. So let's dive in and make sure you can navigate this process with ease. First, start by going to the project you're currently working with. This might seem straightforward, but ensuring you're in the right project space is essential, especially if you're managing multiple projects simultaneously. Within the project, you'll need to locate the Issues section. Clicking on this will bring you a detailed view of all the tickets associated with the project. Now, let's find the specific Jira ticket you intend to close. This is where you'll want to identify the task or issue that's ready to be marked as complete. Once you've identified and selected the ticket, pay attention to its current status. Typically, you'll find the status displayed prominently on the right-hand side of the issue details. It's important to note the existing status so you can confidently update it. With your eyes on the current status, the next step is to click on it. Doing so will reveal a drop-down menu or a list of statuses you can select from. Here, you'll want to choose a status that signifies the completion or resolution of the issue. Commonly used statuses include done, resolved, or any other status that your project's specific workflow designates for completion. Selecting the correct status not only ensures that the ticket is closed, but also communicates to your team members that this particular task no longer requires attention. Before finalizing the change, you have the option to add a comment to the issue. This is highly recommended as it allows you to provide context or additional information about why the ticket is being closed. For instance, you might want to note any key developments or decisions that led to its resolution. Adding thoughtful comments can be incredibly valuable for future reference or for team members who may need to look back at the project's history. Once you've updated the status and optionally added your comment, the ticket should now be marked as closed with the new status clearly displayed. Congratulations, you've successfully closed a Jira ticket. This final step helps maintain clarity within your project management system, making it easier for everyone to stay on the same page and ensuring that completed tasks are effectively communicated to your entire team. By following these steps, closing a Jira ticket becomes a seamless part of your project management routine, enhancing efficiency and team collaboration. Thank you for watching, and feel free to follow along with more guides to sharpen your Jira skills.